Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to learn about the matching patterns. Like if you are given a set of data and from there if you need to find some specific information like let's suppose that if someone name start from S or P, so how you are going to find that, what is the end letter, end string letter that is present over there. So how you are going to find all those things, that we are going to explore today using the like patterns. Okay, so first of all let's see what type of data we have. Okay, so this is the data that we are having, right? This is the entire data set that we are having. Inside this we want to fetch for the description for all the list of description which starts with S, let's say. Okay, so we'll do what, we'll mention one filter statement because we are filtering inside our entire data, right? We'll mention the where statement, name of the column, then put the pattern just after using like. Okay, so like let's suppose I'm just need to put this one, which will basically pull all the information that is present with S, okay, which is starting with S, so that information you will get. Okay, so you can see all the S informations you have here. Similarly, if you want to fetch the data which has end letter as S, that means end letter should be S like kids. Okay, so for that you need to do is basically just put the % sign before this one. So let's remove this and enter S over here. So now you can see everywhere ending will be S. Okay, so these are some of the patterns like starting with A and ending with T. So if I need to find for plastics or like starting with P and ending with S, so I need to write some pattern like this in between this and let's say A and S. So this will give me the result of like starting with A and ending with S. So do we have something? Yeah, correct. We have A and S at the starting and the end of the strings. So this is how we are filtering the entire thing. Now if you want to basically match the string that contains A at second position, just skipping the first position, the second position should be A. Okay, so you are going to do that, just put underscore over there at the starting, and then you can see for the second letter it's all A. Okay, so these are some of the ways how you can filter the like patterns. Like this is for pattern recognition technique in SQLs, so that you can perform by using this. Okay, so this was about the like options. Then apart from that we have one more concept which says about wildcards. Okay, wildcards means where all the data should be present of the same thing. You will hear out in the SQL servers the concept of wildcard. So let me explain you what wildcard is. Wildcard is nothing but it's quite similar to the information that we are watching just right now, that is about the like patterns. Okay, so this wildcard means whenever we use the wildcards, which means every content that starts with A, every content in the description column that starts with A will be listed out, and the wildcards are basically used in terms of folder by defining the paths. Like there can be something like at the end you can see it will be somewhat like this, the path of the folder C and then desktop, then we have it will be something like this one dot CSV. So this is basically our wildcard, which means it pulls all the data inside the desktop folder which is in CSV extension. So it will pull all the data. It is similar to the like pattern itself. Okay, so this is the difference between the wildcards and the like patterns. Fine. So these are the concepts that we have to cover for today. Okay, see you in the next video.